Aciari ni batari gukarania kwa kwina na bao barani aritwa na kagitene gaka barenja ni untu bwa rutha kuringana na ataramu ba kithomo ni borete aciari gutigira ni bakumurika kinya mitugo ya na bao kenda gutigira bate gutamwerekera. Marion Karugi ni agutwira cio. Aciari ni bakuru kumenyera nabo kaitaka barikite kuana nja rutha ruraya rwa tamu yiri na utira ni baukarande nabo kuba mataro ya kumenyera ruthene ru mno kirimitire yo kendo siebania na witonyo watine bonda wa chambogita na mantune yangi yara yateagirite.
Remember parents, these kids are a great gift. We need to spend time with them, bond with them, listen to what lingers in their mind, and make them your friend. Ensure that they are protected, and generally spend time with them.
It's a great value in taking good care of our children, and that children are the inheritance that we have as parents, and we are also their inheritance in the near future. And as so, I would like to encourage all parents, wherever they are, with young children, to ensure that they take good care of these children to the extent that they do not get lost in the many dungeons that are out there, especially the drug syndrome that has really affected many schools out there. We pray and trust God that our students, our children will remain safe from all these vices.
Kinya na ba na bone bakuru kwa thikiracia ribo na utira ni bakubatetheria kiringo cia micie na buru cia bania na ikundi bira biteagirite.
There is no go zone in drugs and in the wrong company. So people from friends that take drugs or friends that are encouraging you to get into bad company, it is better to keep yourself company than being in the wrong company. So please make the right choices.
They should be able to participate in other activities at home, and also to encourage the parents to sit down with their children, try to learn, to see what these children have learned, try to discover the new ages that they get into and whatever the school has really exposed them to see whether to sustain the same or to look forward to inculcate good morals to these children.
Please be supportive to your parents. Take instructions from them. Every day as you plan for your day, find out what mommy and daddy want to be helped so that you can factor that in your plan. And remember to do your homework, spend time with your parents, and do the right things.
Kenda ukurie wabira ana baba dharimi nabio. Aciari ni bakuru batetheria na njira mwanya mwanya ya kubaurira into birabi kwendekana utumirwa kiri ukurie wabio nontwe ni njira imwe ya ukira mutaratara yo kithomo kia CBC kira kina manto ya maingi ya ukurie wabiana.
Curriculum ilibadilika sasa kwa mfumo wa CBC, na CBC sana sana inaongelea jinsi ya kukuza mtoto vile alivyo. Kwa hivyo na encourage wazazi wote waweze kujumuika katika kukuza talanta ya watoto, ikiwa ni ya kuimba, ya kucheza ama yote ya ubongo. Kwa hivyo pia wanahitaji msaada, wazazi waweze kujumuika kutumia vitu ambavyo vinafaa, sana sana their playing items.
Nkiripotera weru weekend kumembe Bitawa Marion Karugi wa Kenya.